media group Dainik Bhaskar and Uttar Pradesh-based TV channel Bharat Samachar were raided today over alleged tax evasion. Opposition parties allege that news outlets critical of the government were being targeted. Tax teams carried out searches in offices of Dainik Bhaskar across many cities and homes of its promoters. Dainik Bhaskar is one of India's largest selling Hindi newspapers. A team of taxmen also searched the Lucknow office of Bharat Samachar and its editor's home in the city. 3 chief ministers so far were among those who denounced the raids. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee called it a brutal attempt to stifle democracy. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal called it an attempt to scare media.
मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, एजेंसीज अपना काम करती हैं। उस पे हमारा कोई दखलंदाजी नहीं होती। और दूसरा मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं, पूरी जानकारी जरूर लेनी चाहिए। कई बार जानकारी के अभाव में भी बहुत सारे विषय ऐसे आते हैं जो सच्चाई या सत्य से परे होते हैं।
पेगासस स्पाईवेयर मामले पर जब राज्यसभा में मंत्री बयान दे रहे थे उस वक्त जबरदस्त हंगामा हुआ है। हुआ क्या अंदर हाउस?
देखिए, मैं समझ रहा हूं कि थोड़ा हमको उस पृष्ठभूमि को देखना होगा। आज सुबह से ही हाउस में काफ़ी दिन था, लोग किसान जंतर मंतर पे थे, उससे परेशान थे। पेगासस का मामला था, उसके अलावा कई सारे इश्यूज थे, कुछ स्टेट स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज थे, लेकिन दिन था और अब दिन में मिनिस्टर का स्टेटमेंट करवाना चाह रहे थे, तो ये रिचुअल की तरह लग रहा था। उस दौरान हमारे एक साथी टीएमसी के गए, उन्होंने मिनिस्टर के हाथ से वो कागज छीन लिया। लेकिन उसके बाद एक वरिष्ठ मंत्री ने जिस जुबान का इस्तेमाल किया, जिस तेवर का इस्तेमाल किया, मैं तो 3 वर्ष हुए हैं तकरीबन इस सदन में और सुना बहुत है इस सदन के बारे में। ये जो व्यवहार है आज मैंने उस वरिष्ठ मंत्री का देखा, मैं समझता हूँ कि सिर्फ ये इमारत नहीं, इसकी परंपराएं भी आज चोटिल हो गई।
तृणमूल के सांसद आप कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने आईटी मंत्री जब बयान दे रहे थे तो उनके हाथ से उनका बयान छीन लिया।
देखिए, उनका बयान उनके हाथ से लिया। अब क्या है ना कि दिन आप जान रहे हैं कि पेगासस का मामला या फार्मर्स का, सदन उस मिजाज में नहीं था कि आप इस दिन में स्टेटमेंट करवा रहे हैं। क्या कहीं से ये उचित था? और सत्ता पक्ष का काम होता है कि पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी में कैसे स्मूथ कंडक्ट करें। इन्होंने दिन में बिल पास करा है, अब इनके आदत में शामिल होता जा रहा है। ऐसी आदतें लोकतंत्र के लिए उचित नहीं।
आईटी मिनिस्टर, पेगासस स्पाईवेयर विवाद पर आईटी मिनिस्टर का एक महत्वपूर्ण बयान हुआ है। क्या हुआ? बहुत हंगामा हो रहा था, क्या आप संतुष्ट हैं?
बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बयान नहीं है। एक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, मिसलीडिंग स्टेटमेंट. What happened in Pegasus, actually everybody know that the government, they are in back foot. They are now, the entire country know that the government is behind it. But the IT minister is giving misleading statement, incorrect statement. Well, we are agitating for the farmers' course. Entire opposition is on farmers' course today. आज farmers का दिन है. They are agitating. They came from different parts of the country to the parliament. So we are discussing the farmers. We are seeking discussion for the farmers issue, but government is not allowing. On the other side, they are giving misleading statement on this Pegasus issue. We are not going to accept it. That is what happened.
एक आखिरी सवाल सर, मीडिया हाउसेस पे जो आईटी रेड हुआ है आज, couple of media houses, how do you see this?
This is the way you have to understand. The government is going to control the entire nation. On one side, they are tapping the phones of journalists, judges, opposition leaders. On the other side, they are blackmailing the media persons by through IT raid, income tax raid. You also affected, your TV also affected earlier times. Those who are coming with brave sense, those who are doing justice for the independent journalism, they are getting this type of things by this government.
Thank you.
All right, so a host of issues there being discussed by the MPs there and opposition MPs. But the fact here remains, the top story at the moment remains to be the raids that are taking place on both Dainik Bhaskar and the UP-based TV channel Bharat Samachar. Let's go across to Anurag Dwari now, bringing us up to speed with all the latest on these raids. Anurag, as early, in fact, as yesterday, the headline in Dainik Bhaskar was all about the missing death toll and the point that the government has been making so far that nobody died of actually oxygen shortage. They did a full report on how that was not true. And today these raids coming in, obviously people are connecting the dots.
See, Sunal, if you remember, the New York Times also published Dainik Bhaskar editor's Om Ghosh piece on COVID deaths in India, titled "The Gangas is returning the dead, it does not lie." And the Dainik Bhaskar in recent times was extremely critical of the COVID's handling the center's handling of the second wave of COVID. But the income tax department officials are saying that this raid is related to the allegations of tax evasion. Dainik Bhaskar is the largest Hindi daily. It also runs dailies in Gujarati and Marathi. The raids in Bhopal started at around 6 a.m. in the morning, and our sources are saying that it covered almost 30 locations in 5 states, including Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The residential premises of the promoters of Dainik Bhaskar Group in Bhopal were also searched by the IT department officials. And we have seen how Dainik Bhaskar has reported, especially during the second wave of COVID pandemic. And as you rightly pointed out, few people are also relating the IT searches and raids to the stories carried by Dainik Bhaskar. But tax officials are saying that it's related to tax evasion because DB Group is a conglomerate. They have malls. They are into coal and power business, etc. So the sources are saying this is related to tax evasion and not with the publication. The stories carried by Dainik Bhaskar.